Well, an IED, improvised explosive device, was successfully neutralized in Srinagar today. These are visuals up on your screen of the operation that has been carried out by the bomb disposal squad. This was here in Chanapura police post, close to the police post area here. And this is after they had detected the explosive device in the area. So this, of course, has now been neutralized. The area is safe. We have with us Times Network's correspondent Sohail Sehran getting us more details here. Sohail, this is, of course, the next step now to ascertain who planted this, who's been involved here in this, while the area now has been sanitized.
Which has been diffused by security forces. They detected it this afternoon, and after which the bomb disposal squad was called in, and later it was found that there was a bag, and in fact this was IED which was diffused. But there is statement from the terror outfit, which is the resistance force, and they have claimed the responsibility for this IED, which was actually planted near a police post of Jammu and Kashmir Police in Chanapura area, which is basically in Srinagar city, and in fact an area which has always a deployment of security forces. So thereby the plan was to carry out a terror strike and cause damage to the security installation. But security forces have averted this tragedy because it was timely detected by security forces and later diffused by the bomb disposal squad. And in fact, the area has been sanitized for some time. The traffic was stopped on this road. But with this incident, it shows that there is a presence of the militants in Srinagar city, and there's rise of militancy-related incidents which are taking place in entire Kashmir Valley. Because just few days back, we have seen how municipal committee chairman was shot at by militants in South Kashmir, Stral area, and then in Srinagar city, there an IED is being planted near a police post, in fact, which always has presence of the security forces of Jammu and Kashmir police personnel. And despite that, the militants managed to plant an IED in Srinagar city.
Yes, that's right. A point of huge concern while investigations on that front are still on. Sohail, many thanks for getting us those details.